पंछी बनो उड़ती चलूं मस्त गगन में आज मैं आजाद हूँ चिड़िया के गगन में. It means I will become a bird and fly away in the sky with freedom in bird life. I know. Oh, look, he ate my haha. Oh, you see that? Yeah. They are grey birds, right? Grey bird. That's the one who is eating it. It's a grey bird. In Sinhala, we say Demelitsa. The grey birds right over there, in Sinhala we call them, I told you, Demelitsa. They are normally in groups of 7. There are 7 birds in each group, normally. That's interesting. That is really. Oh, the one there? The grey color one? The tiny one? Oh, there's one too. We call it gay kurulla. Gay kurulla and V kurulla both are same. Oh, the one right on the branch there. You can see. Two. Yeah. The brown broken branch. Yeah. Oh, the one here? Yep. That is called Kauda. So, two names, Kauda and Karavalapenda. Okay. Do you know what is meant by Karavalapenda? You know dry fish? Yes. Oh, the dry fish tail, it looks like theirs. That's why they call Karavalapenda. Meow. The other specialty of the Karavalapenda, the one that black thingy over here, it can talk as a cat. As a cat? Yeah. Oh my gosh. So they will scared. Like they won't get eaten. Actually, they are mocking. Yeah. The bird is mocking the cat. Oh, the one over there. That is called in Sri Lanka. We call it Kondakurulla. Do you know why it's called Kondakurulla? So, yeah, there is. So, in Sri Lankan language, Konda means hair. You see, it has black hair, right? Oh, yes. You see? Oh, bro, look. The one called Maina. We call it men. Oh, we call it Maina. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you see 2 big birds there? They are called Kerala. They are mostly living near the paddy field in Sri Lanka. Paddy field? So, what do you call birds in Hindi? Birds? As I remember, we call them Pakchi. We also call Pakshi. We call Pakchi. We call Pakshi. Oh. Hey, that bird looks like he's going on a marathon. Look. Yep, that is right. So, make sure you subscribe our channel and like and share.